Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to activate eSIM on trip.com. So yeah, just have to make sure that your phone supports the eSIM and that it's carrier unlocked. And most newer iPhones, Samsung Galaxy, and Google Pixel devices support the eSIM, but it is not always a good idea to check it before purchasing. Next, as you have to purchase an eSIM plan on trip.com based on your destination. All right. So, for example, we have here the different eSIM for different location. And once your purchase is complete, you'll receive your eSIM details either through the trip.com app or by the emails. For example, this one. Okay. So you just have to open the trip.com app after that or the website. Okay, and then just go to the order section. Okay, so here, if you cannot see my orders option, just go to your profile or your bookings. Okay, so just go to your profile right here, and then you have your bookings. So you just have to tap on it, and then you just have to look for an eSIM or phone internet booking. Then you just have to open the booking to view the QR code or activation details. Okay. And then after that, of course, for iPhone, you have to open the settings and then you have to make sure that tap your cellular or mobile data and then just have to select add eSIM, then choose your QR code. And then just have to scan the QR code to your trip.com email or order page. And for Android, you just have to open the settings, go to the network and internet or SIM manager and add the eSIM or download eSIM. And then after installing the eSIM, it is recommended to leave it turned off until you arrive at your destination unless your plan specifically instructs otherwise. So this helps prevent your data validity from starting too early on plans that activate upon first connection. And then you just turn on your trip.com eSIM, set it as your cellular data line, turn off mobile data on your primary SIM to avoid roaming charges. And then you just have to enable the data roaming for the trip.com eSIM. Within a few moments, your phone should connect to a local network automatically. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.